Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that your business made $500 overnight while you were asleep. It sounds like a stretch, but right now, a specific type of automated digital business makes that highly achievable. You don't need to spend weeks designing assets, learning to code, or setting up complex online stores to do it. The entire process runs on a two-part engine. First, we use AI to handle 80% of the actual product creation. Second, we use a platform called Threscart to handle 100% of the sales and delivery. By combining these two tools, the time it takes to go from a raw idea to a launched product drops from months to a single weekend. You completely bypass the technical hurdles that cause most people to quit before they ever launch. But before we build anything, we need to address why most creators fail. They get excited, spend weeks building a product, launch it, and hear crickets. They built something nobody actually wanted. So our foundational rule is simple. We only create products for problems that people are already spending money to solve. To find out what those problems are, we let AI do the research. Looking at this ChatGPT interface, we can set the tool to search mode and ask it to scour Amazon bestsellers, Etsy, and Gumroad to find out exactly what people are buying in a specific niche, like bookkeeping. Here is what that research yields. The AI generates a list of highly specific, market-validated ideas, like a client onboarding kit for bookkeepers or an automated invoice spreadsheet. You review that list and look for the intersection. You want the idea that has proven market demand and that also aligns with something you have personal experience doing. Starting with hard market data removes the guesswork. You know a buying audience exists before you write a single word. Once we have an outline from ChatGPT, we move to the execution phase. The goal is to turn that outline into a finished digital product over the course of a weekend. To do this, we copy the outline and feed it into Claude, along with our brand colors and some visual inspiration. As you can see here, we ask Claude to format and design the actual guide based on our raw text. This entirely removes the need to spend weeks dragging and dropping elements in software like Canva. The AI handles the grunt work of drafting and layout in seconds. But here, most people make a critical mistake. They stop at the first draft, leaving the core product feeling like generic AI slop. The AI only provides the 80% foundation. You must fill in the remaining 20%. The AI is just an engine for speed. Your unique human perspective is the actual product the customer is paying for. With the product finished, we deploy it. Instead of building a complex multi-page website, we use a much leaner three-piece architecture: a checkout page, a delivery method, and an optional upsell. We use Threscart to run this architecture. The main reason we choose it is financial. You pay once to own it, so there are no monthly fees eating into your profit margins while you scale. In the dashboard here, simply create a new product, give it a name, connect a payment processor like Stripe, and set your core price point. You can also add a split pay option, like monthly installments. This makes a higher-priced product more accessible to your audience, which naturally increases conversions. Next, we automate the delivery. By navigating to the fulfillment options and setting it to route buyers directly into Threscart Learn, they get instant access to their purchase the moment their card clears. Finally, you select one of their high-converting checkout templates and customize the colors and images to match your brand. This self-contained checkout link is the mechanism that processes your sales and emails out your products, allowing the entire system to run while you sleep. The automated system is now live. Let's look at the math required to actually hit that $500 a day target. Generating $500 daily from one standalone product is incredibly difficult. Instead, we use a stacking strategy. By distributing that goal across 5 products, each only needs to make $100 a day. You hit the same revenue line with a much more stable foundation. With the infrastructure in place, your only remaining job over the next 6 to 12 months is to post consistently on social media or build SEO to drive traffic to your links. Feeding consistent traffic into a stacked, automated system creates a compounding effect. Over time, that weekend AI project turns into a highly scalable digital business.